Stick around to the end of this video to find out how you, not just one of you, all of you, can race this car this Saturday. Hey guys, Shawn here with Unique Sign and Design. Today we're going to be wrapping this Mustang GT convertible for Rocky's Auto Sales. It's going to be done up like an autocross car for the Fast Cars and Foster Kids autocross show this weekend at Western Wyoming Community College. Super simple layout. Check it out. Alright guys, we just finished up that Mustang for Rocky's Auto Sales. Now this car is going to be at the Fast Cars and Foster Kids autocross show Saturday, July 28th and 29th, which is this coming up Saturday. And you'll be able to just drive this car, anybody, for the autocross event. So go see Rick with Rocky's Auto Sales if you want to drive this car for the autocross event this weekend. Talk to you guys later.